So I was just gifted this wreath. It's gorgeous. I'm really impressed with it. I love all the different colors that it has. It has all these different colors of green. I don't know if it shows very well on the camera, but it is gorgeous. It really makes it look realistic, which I like. This is really nice because you can put it inside or out. These little leaves are UV protected, so it's not going to fade when you have it outside, which makes it nice. It also comes with this really nice bow. So if you want to put a bow on it, it would be gorgeous. Or you can put your own bow. So if there's a different season that you like, maybe Christmas or maybe Thanksgiving, you can change out these bows and just really make it look like a different wreath. It also comes with this long sash, which I love. I think that'll really dress it up too. So you can put this sash or the bow or just your own bow. Also, if you don't want to have this year round, which I like to have year round, but if you're the kind that likes to just only have it on the holidays, it folds right up, which makes it really, really nice. Let me show you how that works. Just folds in half, which is great. You can just store it when you're not using it, and it just fluffs right back up. Now, when I took it out of the box, it was actually already fluffed up a little bit, but it doesn't take but a minute for you to just kind of fluff these up the way you want it as much as you want. So it just looks so gorgeous. I wish you could see all the different colors on how beautiful it looks. Let me show you the back, because if you want to hang it on a door, it is super easy to do. It has, let me look for this, here it is. It has this little metal hook right here, so you can just put that on a hook yourself and you're ready to go. So you don't have to worry about that. But this is gorgeous. I love how it looks. Now this is a boxwood. It's 22 inches. So to me, that's just the perfect size. I love it and I totally recommend it. Thank you for watching.